Hello and welcome to this how-to guide from Crypto Quantique. Today what we're going to do in this video is show you how to navigate through the Crypto Quantique GitHub. This is where we store all our source files and other files and documentation that you will need if you are to build an IoT product using our QuarkLink security platform. Here is the location of our GitHub, which is at github.com/CryptoQuantique. So here you can see the introductory page, which gives you some information about Crypto Quantique and links to our company website. Down below here you can see the popular repositories that are accessed in our GitHub. Let's have a look at our main repositories. There are 5 in all, which you can see here, and now what I'll do is look into each one individually to show you what files are available in there for you to use. So here you can see the Crypto Quantique GitHub organization. As I mentioned earlier, you've got 5 repositories that we're going to cover. Let's first have a look at the QuarkLink Getting Started folder for the ESP32 under the platform IO IDE. So under here you'll have all the project source files to allow you to create an IoT device using the QuarkLink. Here you'll be able to clone the files and add your own code to incorporate your own application. Let's now have a look at the QuarkLink binaries folder. First of all, there are 2 folders within this folder. One holds the library files for the QuarkLink client library. So this library is something that you'll have to import to your development environment after you've cloned the project source files from the other source file folders. Also in the QuarkLink binaries folder, you'll find all the binaries that are integrated into your QuarkLink Ignite, and these can be downloaded to your IoT device as part of the getting started process. Under the github.io folder, you'll find all the applications that you need to use the QuarkLink security platform. Here you'll find the user guide for the QuarkLink and a getting started guide, which will take you through a process of provisioning an IoT target device. Also under the GitHub.io directory, you'll find the Doxygen documentation for the QuarkLink client library. The project for the M5 EduKit, which incorporates the ECC 608 secure element, can be found under the Getting Started M5 EduKit folder. Here again you can clone this project and add your own application code to create your own IoT product. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please follow Crypto Quantique on YouTube, LinkedIn and other social networks listed in the description for more helpful guides.